Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about sales funnel optimization. All right. It's especially if, well, it doesn't matter. You're in the product business or service business. It kind of does make a difference both ways. But how do you optimize a funnel? How do you know how to do that, right? And really, it comes down to this at the end of the day. It's all about the numbers. Okay. You have to be tracking, this is how many people are viewing. This is how many people are opting in. This is how many people are coming in as a lead. This is how many people are going through, say, an email sequence. These are conversion rates of each step along the way to buy the product or the service, right? By knowing your conversion rates at every step of the acquisition and sales pipeline per se, right? If you know all your stats during the process, that can let you now make some determinations how to optimize and tweak your sales process or your sales funnel, whatever terminology you're used to there. But if you don't know the numbers, you can't transition and optimize anything. Math always drives optimization. So as long as you're doing all the math and figuring out all the stats that go through that funnel, then and only then can you start to make changes to then reevaluate, remeasure, optimize. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat over and over and over again. That's how you're going to optimize it to its best state and get it producing at the best level it can produce. All right. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.